What is a contingency and how does that affect earnest money? Hi everyone, this is Yua with Home Guide Realty, and today we are talking about what a contingency is in a real estate transaction and how it affects earnest money. Real estate transactions typically involve the buyer and seller coming to an agreement over the terms of a purchase contract. These contracts may include contingencies or provisions that must be satisfied before the transaction can close. Contingencies provide the buyer or seller with an escape clause if certain conditions are not met. If a contingency isn't met, either party can back out without penalty, typically within a certain time frame. The most common type of contingency is the financing contingency, which states that the buyer must secure financing before the transaction can close. This includes the appraisal coming back and supporting the purchase price. If the buyer is unable to secure financing, they may back out and get the earnest money back. Another common real estate contingency is the home inspection and repairs. This type of contingency allows the buyer to back out and get the earnest money back if they're unhappy with the results of the inspection and don't want to proceed with the sale. In addition to these contingencies, there are other possible contingencies depending on the agreement between the buyer and seller. Ultimately, contingencies provide an escape mechanism for both parties if conditions are not met. When it comes to earnest money, it's usually held in a trust account until the contingencies have been satisfied or until closing. If the buyer backs out due to a contingency, then they typically get their earnest money back in full. I hope you found this information useful. If you would like more information or would like to buy or sell, reach out to us at Home Guide Realty. We are here to help.